Hello, guys. Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking to watch. You guys are welcome to another beautiful video. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make very sweet, nutritious tiger nut milk that can last in your freezer for more than 1 week. Yes, I mean it can last in your freezer for more than 1 week. If you follow these steps or the procedures that I'm going to tell you guys in this video, I bet you will come and testify. So before we continue, don't fail to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel, and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, this is my tiger nut milk. This is my tiger nut here. So number one thing that you have to do is that you wash this tiger nut properly. Don't wash with liquid soap, wash with water. You can decide to use your mortar. You can use your mortar and your pestle and mash it so that you remove the dates. Don't soak your tiger nuts. One of the things that make tiger nuts to sour when you do them, even while they are in the freezer, is when you soak them. So don't soak your tiger nuts. And when you are buying tiger nuts, don't buy the ones that are wet. Buy the dried ones and the ones that have small seeds. So that is the number one thing we have to know. So here is my tiger nuts and my dates. As well using coconut and banana. One thing that banana does to tiger nuts is that it makes it to be creamier. Yes, that is what it does to it. So another thing we have to note is if you are producing tiger nut for sale, or maybe you are producing it in larger quantities, maybe you are doing like 1 pint of tiger nut, make sure that you grind your tiger nut separately, you grind your dates separately, your coconuts and your banana, you grind them separately. Then at the end of the day, you can sieve everything and mix together, so it will help it not to sour quickly also. And you can as well add ginger to your tiger nut milk. You can add ginger. As you can see, I've peeled my banana, I've washed my coconuts, and with the seeds, the dates, make sure that you remove the seeds of the dates. Another very important factor is that while grinding your tiger nuts, make sure you go with cold water. If you are going to the mill, make sure you go with very cold water or blocks water if you are going to the mill, so that once they are blending it, you add the block water, maybe preferably pure water. You add the block inside the blended tiger nuts. So but if you are blending in the house, maybe you have a very good blender, industrial blender that can do the work perfectly. You can also blend with cold water. Make sure that you blend the tiger nuts with cold water and sieve immediately. So I'm done prepping my banana, my coconut, my tiger nuts. I did not add ginger to this particular one because of certain things. I did not add ginger, but it's good that you add ginger because it also helps to preserve the tiger nut milk. So we are going to the mill to grind it. And if you are grinding in the mill, make sure you tell them to wash their engine properly so that the other stuff they grounded before yours will not spoil your product. So that is very important point. As you can see now, my tiger nut is well blended, and what makes it look like this is the color of the back of that coconut. So you can peel it if you don't want yours to look like this. Now I'm going to sieve. This is my the cloth I'm going to use to sieve it. I don't know what it's called, but I will find the name and attach it to this place. So this is it. I'm going to use this to sieve my Tigernut milk. So I'm going to add my cold water into the Tigernut milk. As you can see, I'm adding the cold water. I added 2 sachets already to fill the bucket. So I'm going to be scooping right now. Okay, so scoop inside the chiffon cloth and squeeze. If you have any wound in your hand, please make sure you use hand gloves. We have rubber hand gloves that you can use to sieve your Tigernut. But if you don't, make sure that your hands are properly washed. Make sure that your hands are properly washed. You can as well use your juicer. Yes, you can use juicer to take out the milk. The juicer will remove the milk for you and keep the chaff away. So, but if you don't have a juicer, you can do it like this. Squeeze it with a chiffon cloth. So that is what I'm doing now. You can see the chaff and you can see the milk. This is how the milk is looking like here. So I'm going to pour out the chaff. I'm going to pour it out separately because it can be used for other purposes. It can be used for chicken feed. Can be used for chicken feed. You can mix it together with the chicken feed. So I'm going to repeat these processes. So another thing I would like to tell you is, like, when taking an order, you have to ask the person whether she prefers using an old can or new one. As you can see, these plastics here, they are the ones that the person I'm making this for brought. So, but if you don't want me to use old cans, I can as well buy the new ones, but it will add extra cost to the production. So, but whichever one, it is good. Make sure that the can or the plastic that you are using is properly washed. So continue watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel up to this point, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and don't fail to turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. So continue watching. Also, if you are making this Tigernut in quantity, most times we work on order. What the customer wants. So it depends on what they want. You can also use peanuts. So here I'm done. You can see my milk. You can see how the milk is looking like. This is the chaff. And I'm going to scoop in the milk inside those containers. Like I said before, if you want us to use new containers for your drinks, you can add it to the cost of production. But if you don't want, you can get your cans to be washed and it will be used. And when washing the cans, please don't wash with this detergent. Don't wash with detergent because it can spoil the taste of your product. Don't wash with detergent. Wash with water and salt and rinse it properly. I wash with water and salt and I rinse with warm water. I rinse it properly. So that is that. You can as well place your orders. We are taking orders. You can contact me if you want me to make Tigernut. I do make Tigernut. I do make Zobo. Any flavor of your choice, I can add it to your Tigernut. I make fruity Zobos. So please, I will be putting down all the details in the description box. Please do well to contact me and give me that your job today. May God bless you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your like. And don't fail to share this video. Please share this video. So this one now that you're seeing here is the second batch. I'm not adding it to the main production. I'm just showing you in case after that first one you can decide to wash the Tigernut chaff. You can wash it again, but it will not be thick. I'm just showing us how it's looking like. It will not be thick as the other one. So guys, this is my premium Tigernut drink. Yay! So me Tigernut drink for health.